Ohio men, come let us chant the praise of alma mater, the oldest and best. We cherish memories dear of jolly college days at old Ohio, Queen of the West. Not loathed as in the days of yore, we'll hoist the colors to the fore. Hurrah for the green and white, amid the green-clad hills, a hockey still and clear encircles old Ohio, our college dear. Ohio is our boast, give her a rousing cheer, ye loyal sons of the green and the white. We love her classic halls, her name will ever revere, our alma mater, dear to our sight. No one shall ever name decry, her colors we will raise on high. Hurrah for the green and white, we love Ohio still.